welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great day. I wanted to come on here. I got my Birchbox in the mail yesterday, and I just wanted to show what I received. I also wanted to do just a mini review. I got the Essence, the Fall Slash Effect waterproof mascara. It's $4.99, and I got this not yesterday, the day before, and so past couple of days I've been loving this, so I wanted to do a little mini review on this. Okay, so anyway, Birchbox. So as you can see my box, I was able to pick the box I wanted. I guess they were doing kind of like nostalgia, their past other boxes. So this is the one I picked out. I thought the colors were really cute, and we're still in summer, right? So it's still a little summery. And so then I opened up the box, and here is everything that is in the box. It says old school summertime. This month we're throwing it back to the carefree days of childhood with this summer fun fortune teller. Cootie catcher, anyone? You guys remember that? Cooties? You're gonna get cooties, ew. Anyway, so anyway, it's a fortune, fortune teller, like what's gonna happen. Okay, but the good stuff is on the back. And it tells everything that is in my box. So we will get into that. It also came just for subscribers 100 extra points when you spend $50 with the code they give. So that's always fun. You know, you never know what month that you might use it, right? So got that. Mine has the pink tissue, and the products are inside. As you guys all know, I never can wait for a video, so I usually have already looked into the box. So let's get started though. So the first thing it says is perfect hair day. 5-in-1 styling treatment, full size is $28. This multitasking styler does 5 things in one step. Volumize, add softness, block UV rays, safeguard color, and protect from the heat. It says to use combing nickel size amount through damp hair, then blow dry. So it's this right here. So it's a good size, actually, if you're only going to use a small amount. So I'm always looking, like I said, for hairstyle. You know, it's color treated, it's longer, and I'm always looking for good products for the hair. Okay, the next thing is Lipstick Queen. So it's this one right here. It's dating, what does it say? Lipstick Queen, but it's called Dating Game. And the color is in Bad Boy. It's right there. It says, Lipstick Queen, Dating Game Lipstick, Bad Boy. Full size is $24. That's an expensive lipstick. Brighten up your complexion with this long-lasting, opaque fuchsia lipstick. It's the cherry on top of a killer first day back outfit. Whoa, okay. First day back outfit. Okay, so the packaging, right, and it said it was called Bad Boy. I'm not familiar with this brand, so this is new to me. Packaging is cute, the color, all of that is really nice. So it's a regular bullet type lipstick. It's some bold color. I will swatch it. I'll swatch it right here, so you guys can see it. So that's the color. It's really pretty. I like it. It seems very opaque, as it says. So it'll be interesting to see how this goes. Usually, if I'm gonna do a bold lip, I'm gonna do a very neutral, natural eye look. So we'll see. Okay, so that's that one. And then it says, ooh, new to Birchbox, Alamasca. I know Alamasca, they're a pretty good brand. It's the Gel Sculpt Silhouette. Full size is $32. It says this contour stick creates natural looking definition under the cheekbones, across temples, and along your jawline. blend in using your fingers. Okay, so this is the trap. So remember, these are sample sizes. So this is the small sample size, and it looks like that. And let's see, does it have a silhouette? That's what I said, yeah. So it looks like that. You open it, it has a top on it, take it off, and there is the product. It's very dark, but I'll swatch it for you. It's really not. You know what though? It kind of has, that's weird. It kind of had pieces in it. Oh, I don't know if that's anything, but so see, another bad swatch. Okay, sorry guys. So it's this right here. So it looks dark, but look how it comes out, pretty light. And I was thinking the way, I don't really use cream or gel like on my cheeks and so forth. I'm a powder girl at heart. I don't do a lot of cream, even though, you know, you can with lipstick and so forth and so forth. I just don't do that. But I was thinking of maybe trying this before I put foundation on, because I know a lot of times you put the contour on and then you do the foundation. And then you can contour again with a powder or something. So we'll see. So I gotta play around with this because, like I said, I don't really do cream products. Okay, next thing, it says a Birchbox favorite, Kula. Dawn Patrol Classic Primer SPF 30, full size is $42. This primer meets sunscreen hybrid prep skin for makeup application and protects from harmful UV rays. To use, apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Okay, so in my FabFitFun box, because I did get that, I didn't do an unboxing or anything, but I do subscribe to that. I received the Kula makeup setting spray SPF 30. I haven't used that much, but I've used, so I am familiar with Kula now. I don't really have a lot of I don't think I ever have had any products until FabFitFun. So this is the Dawn Patrol Classic Primer. So this will be interesting to use, and it's closed. So I love that they all are closed. Do you ever go to the store and you open it and there's nothing covering the opening, and you're just like, has somebody taken it off? Has somebody used it? What's going on? So anyway, so that's good. Okay, the next thing is, I'm gonna mess this up. How to say this? Lice water. Okay, anyway, it's waterproof eyeliner. I'll show you. It's right here. So you guys can read it. I don't know. I'm so bad at names and I don't want to mess it up or butcher it. Anyway, it's waterproof eyeliner. Full size is $24. It says whether you prefer a subtle line or a bolder cat eye, this deep purple waterproof pencil glides over your lash line effortlessly. And so what is the color? I don't see the color. Ooh, that's not good. I'm not sure what the color is, but I'll swatch it, and it does glide really nicely. It looks like it's more like an eggplant color to me, so that's cool. I used to use a lot of eggplant eyeliner, so I'm really excited to try this this color. I used to use it because it brought out more of the green in my eyes, since my eyes are hazel, so like this color would bring out more green in them, and I always was like, whoa, green eyes. So this so I'm excited to try it, especially because it's waterproof, you know, the watery eye issue that I always talk about. Okay, and then it says new sample to Birchbox, Juliet has a gun. Vanilla Vibes perfume, full size, $135. That's some expensive perfume, I will say. It says the sweet yet subtle scent is inspired by the California desert and ocean, with blended notes of orchid, sandalwood, and tonka bean. I think that's how you say it. Orchard, yeah. Okay. So Vanilla Vibes is what it's called. So the small sample size you know, that's exciting. I don't really have any perfumes, except my one true, it's like my scent, you know. When I would work, sometimes they're like, oh, we know Joyce is here, because like if I wore a scarf or something, the scent would be on it. And so they got familiar with my scent that I would wear all the time. And I'll show you, I have it right here. It is the Clinique Happy. This is something that I do will purchase over and over and over again. It's like nothing can beat this perfume. The smell, I love it. It's not too florally, it's not too spicy, musky. There's just it just smells fresh. I just love Clinique Happy. So that I do splurge on. I will splurge on that anytime. That scent, I haven't found a lot, like I said, that is that scent. So it does smell vanilla-y. I'm just gonna spray just a little bit. Yeah, very vanilla-y. It has a nice scent. Like I said, you know, nothing's ever going to take my Clinique Happy. I think I'm just bias, and nothing's ever gonna smell any better than that. But you know, for something different, I will use it. Sample size is perfect. Okay, so anyway, that was my box. I'm pretty excited with what I received. That eyeliner, great. So I'm excited about that. The lipstick, love. I am not afraid of any kind of lipstick color. It can be vampy, it can be light, neutral, nude. It doesn't matter. I love lipsticks. I've said it before. And so, you know, you just have to know like how you're going to do your eye so it looks good with your lip, things like that. If you're going to do a real bold lip, you're going to go lighter on the eyes, vice versa, things like that. So I am very excited about my Birchbox. So 2 months now I've had Birchbox and I'm satisfied. So, you know, I don't know, maybe I'm just the type of person that, you know, you can't disappoint me, maybe. Anyway, okay, so for that, now I wanted just to do a quick, like I said, about this Essence Lash waterproof eyeliner. I am going to tell you, I'm in love. I've only had it on, used it yesterday and today, and I am absolutely in love with this mascara. So I have the one that's not waterproof. It's the same. And it's not waterproof, if I can find it. Sorry guys, I got some products in here that are over it. So that's the one that's not waterproof, and here's the waterproof. Of course, it's blue for waterproof. And I'm loving it the past 2 days. Maybe it'll disappoint me tomorrow or the next day, but right now it's not. So the wand is the same as the other one. I will compare them. So they're pretty much the same, if you can see. So the shape and everything is pretty much the same. This one, it seems to have more product on it, and it seems to be like thicker and goopier, where this product isn't. But this product is also new. I've only opened it, you know, like I said, for a couple days. So I don't know if that would have something to do with it, with, you know, after you open it in the air and hitting it and all of that. And so, you know, yeah, I may have found my go-to mascara for everything, like everything, waterproof, lengthening. I mean, I am pretty impressed with it. Now, I will say I did use my voluminous primer, L'Oreal, but I am excited. I'm excited. My eyes are not watering whatsoever, like nothing. So I don't know if that makes a difference in the products I've used. Maybe I'm sensitive because I'm sensitive for everything else. I don't know. But anyway, I am very excited. So if you are looking for a waterproof mascara that will do what a non-waterproof mascara will do. So again, if you are looking for a waterproof mascara that will do the job of a regular non-waterproof mascara, I highly recommend this. I will use it for the next month and we'll do a complete review, or just if I still like it, I should say. But anyway, so I thank you for taking the time to watch my video, and if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you are not subscribed, will you please consider subscribing to my channel? And if you already are subscribed, I appreciate and love you and am very happy with the support you have given me. All right, well, you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.